Hello everyone, my name is Manny and today we're gonna talk about another SD memory card repair. So if you got one of this memory card that won't work in your camera anymore, well, this is the right video for you. In the previous video, I talked about an extraordinary SD memory with a working TF or micro SD card inside. Also, I have shown you a typical SD card that you could find in camera stores or your phone accessory outlets, and that is the subject of our fix today. This is a 16GB FAT32 SD memory card that won't work in any camera. It shows an error when I inserted it in the card slot of my Nikon camera. When I inserted it in a card slot connected to my computer, it shows up in the Windows Explorer, but a message appeared saying insert a disk into memory drive. This typically points to a physical damage on any memory card, but don't fret, because there is a fix for this if you got a handful of old SD cards lying around and you're patient enough to dismantle the damaged card and do this repair to extract your valuable data from it. So let's start by dismantling the card using an X-Acto knife or any utility knife. Next, we find a donor casing from another dismantled SD card to put the patient memory card into its new casing. Let's put the new assembly together and test if it works in the camera. Let's try to format it. Yes, the camera formats the card. Let's do a test shot. Yes, it seems everything works perfectly now. Now we test it on the computer if Windows Explorer will detect the card to find out if the repair is really successful. Yes, we could see that it was detected a 16GB removable drive. Let's browse the folder. Let's open the image files. Let's format the memory card in the computer. Now it's formatted. It seems everything works and we have a successful repair. Finally, we remove the adhesive tape and finalize the job by gluing the plastic casing. Be careful not to put any glue in the SD card's terminals. When it dries up, you can use it temporarily in your camera until you bought a new one. So there you have it, guys, another successful memory card fix, and I know it's only temporary. The main purpose of that repair is to extract data out of the damaged memory card, but
Since we are still on quarantine due to COVID pandemic, I will be using this card temporarily until I could go out and buy a new one. So that's temporary, but at least we have it fixed. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. So that's it for now. Thank you and bye bye.